today. Clean title now. It's got a couple things we got to work on it. I guess I'm gonna drive this around for the grandbabies and the newborn, Valentina and Josiah, so they can enjoy an old car. Take these ugly wheels off. I don't like the turbines. This got to come off just because I got a mark there and a mark here. Not going back on. I'm gonna give it the Mako special in November. This thing got 37,000 miles on it. Clean car. Old people had it. They passed away, so I couldn't get a title. I had a paperwork. Couldn't get a title. It basically just sat in the driveway. They only drove it when they came down, and they were from London. Got old people dents like right here, and a cracked tail light. That's the only damage. Other than that, for now, a good bath until do those couple little pieces of body work. I might even shave the doors. I ain't sure. Not 100%. But I guess I'm keeping it because there's nothing wrong with it. Perfect shape. Ice cold AC. And believe it or not, all 4 Ford windows work. This dude was supposed to come get it 2 days in a row. I held it for him. Never showed up, never called. After the second day of never calling back after I talked to you and you don't get it, you can't buy it no more. Donor car. Been sitting 30 days at the tow yard. Yes, sir. I almost would say leave it quiet, but no. wheels are coming off real soon. What is today? They should be here in a day or two. Maybe 3, who knows? Get these doo-doo ass stock wheels off.